Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Warren County, Northwestern Clinton County, Southern Greene County, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Middletown to Finneytown, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Paintersville, Clarksville, State Route 123 at State Route 132, Fort Ancient, South Lebanon, Lytle, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Oakland, Pekin, Kings Island, Landon, Corwin, Gentown, Cedar Creek State Park, Morrow, Ogden, Kingman, Interstate 71 at US Route 68, and Cowan Lake State Park. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 53.